Welcome to our video on how to enable first post notifications from the profiles you follow on Instagram, right from your PC. With this new update, you won't miss a single moment from your favorite accounts. Let's dive into the simple steps to activate this feature. First, start by opening your Instagram account on your PC. Log in if you haven't already, and get ready to customize your notification settings. Next, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Clicking on it will reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, choose Settings. It's usually at the bottom, so just scroll down. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and select Notifications. This will take you to the section where you can manage all of your notification preferences. Now, click on Push Notifications. This is where you can adjust how Instagram alerts you about various activities on the platform. Finally, look for the section labeled Comments Likes. Here, you'll see an option for From Profiles I Follow. By selecting this, you will receive notifications specifically from the profiles you're interested in, ensuring you're always updated on their first posts and activities. And that's it. You've successfully enabled first post notifications from the profiles you follow on Instagram. Now you'll never have to worry about missing those important updates again. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and updates on how to enhance your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.